In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive automatically match your device's theme. If you like your apps to follow your system's light or dark mode automatically, this quick setup in Google Drive will do exactly that. You'll only do it once, and after that, Drive will switch between light and dark to mirror whatever your computer or device is using. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right, you'll see the grid icon, the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the panel of Google Services, and then select Drive. If you prefer, you can also go straight to Drive by typing the address directly into your browser. Either way, make sure you're signed into the Google account where you use Drive so you can access the correct settings. Once Drive is open, look to the top right corner again and find the gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open a small drop-down and choose Settings. This takes you to Drive's main settings window, where you can adjust things like storage, language, and, most importantly for today, appearance. In the Appearance section, you'll see Theme options. Select Device Default. This is the key choice that tells Drive to follow whatever theme your operating system is using instead of locking Drive into light or dark permanently. As soon as you pick Device Default, Drive should apply the change immediately. If you don't see it switch right away, give the page a quick refresh. Here's how it works in practice. When your computer is set to light mode, Drive will use a bright, clean look that's easy to read in daylight. When your computer switches to dark mode, say in the evening or based on a schedule, Drive will automatically go dark to reduce eye strain and glare. You don't need to revisit settings or toggle anything manually. It simply follows your device. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of this. First, ensure your operating system's light and dark mode settings are configured the way you like. On many devices, you can set them to change with sunrise and sunset or at custom times. Second, if you use multiple browsers or profiles, make sure you're adjusting the setting in the Drive account you actually use. Finally, if you ever want to override the system theme for Drive specifically, you can return to this same appearance area and choose light or dark instead of device default. That's all there is to it. With device default selected, Google Drive will stay in sync with your device's theme, so your workspace always looks and feels consistent.